how to use your I am to live from the end. Hello beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach, and in this video I'm going to shine some light on how to live from the end wielding your I am. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, you can get access to any of my offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. How to live from the end using your I am. So first, I want to take a step back and remind you guys that who you truly are is I am. You are not your thoughts, you are not your emotions, and you are not the identity that you are currently identified with. Who you truly are beyond all of that is I am. You are all that is. You are the operant power of your reality. And when you're truly living from a place of I am, you feel fulfilled from within. You feel whole and complete from within. Meaning you know that your manifestation is done. Now, how can you use your I am to live from the end? So firstly, living from the end, no matter what it is you're manifesting, whether that is abundance, better health, a specific person, or your dream relationship, it really doesn't matter. It all boils down to the same thing. But when you are living from the end, you are living from this inner conviction, this knowingness that your manifestation is done. Now, this is easy to do when you actually know who you truly are, when you see beyond the illusion and you understand that you are all that is. But even if you don't know that yet, it requires trust. It requires you to go all in with self, to fully trust yourself and to go all in with your inner world. Now, when you do this, when you start operating from all that is, when you think of your desire, whether that's because it's a thought or whether that's because it's an affirmation or a feeling or a visual, there is conviction where you know it is done. And the idea is that anytime something outside of you says that you are not already the version of you that has your manifestation, what you want to do is you want to come back to that inner conviction, that inner knowingness that your manifestation is done. You want to fulfill yourself from within because you understand how reality works, that reality reflects what it is that you decide, who it is that you claim that you are. So anytime the external shows you the opposite of what you want, or it's showing you something that you don't like, or it's showing you that actually it looks like you're not going to get your manifestation, your job in that moment is to come back to your inner conviction, to your inner knowing, to your inner world, because you understand that you are all that is, and all you have to do is go within and remind yourself that your manifestation is already done. You can say, it is done. There is nothing for me to figure out, because there is nothing for you to figure out. Your I am is the one that provides for you, that works everything out. Your I am is the one that brings the right circumstances, people, and events to you. There is nothing for you to figure out other than to just be and walk and live in the conviction that your manifestation is done. And this will require you to keep coming back to your inner world every time you feel a wobble, every time you're knocked off your center. Come back to your inner world and fulfill yourself from within. What most people do when they are doubting or when they are in fear, and it's okay, this is a practice, is that they will look outside of themselves for validation. This is a trap, right? That your 3D reality cannot give you anything, because you are the source of everything. You must first be the version of you that already has your manifestation. Walk in the knowingness that it is done. Live in the knowingness that it is done. And the idea is every time you feel doubt or fear, you come back to that knowingness within. You go within, you fulfill yourself. You can do this through a visual, through an affirmation. You can just say it's done. There's nothing for me to figure out. Somehow, some way this is done. There is nothing for me to figure out. This will require you to go all in with self. This will require you to fully trust in self. If you don't already know that you are all that is, it will require you to trust. However, if you do this consistently for a little bit, where you go all in with your inner world, where you keep coming back to that inner conviction that your manifestation is done, your 3D reality will shift very quickly to reflect back to you who you are being. When I want something, when I decide something is important to me and I want it, that's when I go all in. That's when I am fully committed. And otherwise, generally, I'm more of like a happy-go-lucky person, but if I get clear that I really want something and it means a lot to me, I will go all in with my inner world. That means I will no longer check the 3D for proof or validation. All I care about is my inner world. Who am I being? Am I remaining faithful to my end? That is all that is required of you. The external will sometimes trigger you if you are not yet rooted and anchored in your I amness, but the more you live from I am, which means the more you're living from a place of presence, you will naturally feel like your manifestation is done without effort. When you start to live from a place of presence, you naturally feel fulfilled, and therefore you naturally know that your manifestation is done. And anytime you feel doubt or fear, all you have to do is just come back to that inner knowingness, come back to presence, come back to I am, do a visual, do an affirmation, or claim it is already done. There's nothing for me to figure out. That is all that is required of you. Every time you forget who you are, that you are all that is. So living from the end is about coming back to your end over and over and over again, especially when the doubts creep up or the fears creep up, or your external reality is showing you the opposite, or maybe it's just not showing you anything. Either way, your work is to keep going within, to fulfill yourself from within, to remind yourself that there is nothing for you to do. When you're truly operating from this place, every action you take or don't take is the perfect action. Anything you say or you don't say is perfect. Right? It's part of your end. And this is like a knowingness. It's kind of sometimes hard to explain, because how do you explain knowingness? It's just this inner conviction, this inner knowing, but you feel at peace as you move through your day, and you know that any action that you take or don't take, or anything that you say or don't say, is perfect because your end is done. You are not operating from a place of I'm trying to get, because you already feel fulfilled from within. Remember, your I am is already whole and complete. So the practice is to keep going within, keep coming back to your inner world, right? From the understanding that you are all that is, from the understanding that when you shift internally, your external reality must shift, but you must first be it. Decide and be it. And no matter what the 3D shows you or doesn't show you, internally, you are still the version of you that knows your manifestation is done. And even if sometimes you forget, or there's some fear or doubt that creeps up, which is normal because you are human, your only job is to come back to your inner world and remind yourself that it is already done. That is your only job. When you do this, you will see your 3D reality shift very quickly to reflect back to you who you now claim to be. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.